Okay, today you're going to go to modules and find this activity, and you're going to open this spreadsheet. This is a tutorial just for review purposes. This video is being replaced with the current video that I'm recording now. Okay, so you'll go to modules and find this activity, and the spreadsheet you're going to be doing is Darby Real Estate. Okay. After you finish this activity, your next spreadsheet is going to be Orlando, on your own Orlando. Okay. All right, here we go. This is the spreadsheet you'll open, and it says format values and currency in 2 decimal places. Well, remember, values are everywhere where there will be a number. So we're going here to currency in 2 decimal places. Now mine fit, but if yours does not, you can go to format, column width, and, type in a number and guess and just adjust the width until it's the way you want it to look. Okay? All right. Total sales here. There we go. I'm sorry, I lost part of my menu. Is right here. So sum. And that range is correct. So we're going to press enter. And then agent's commission of 3%. This formula is different. We do equal that times 3%. And then remember, you can get in the middle of the cell, select it, all right, and then you can drag that all the way down. Okay, now I lost the blue fill here, so I can go here and go format painter and drag that across. Okay, now total sum, that's correct, and we just drag this over here. All right, so that part, the spreadsheet portion, is finished. Adjusting the column widths and row heights as needed. They're fine. They're easy to read. Add basic formatting that will make the spreadsheet easier to read. This is optional. I added these background colors this morning. Create a bar chart comparing January, February, and March for each salesperson. Create a pie chart of total individual sales. Do not include the grand total. Okay, so that would be do not include that. Move both charts to a new sheet and name each tab, bar, and pie. Make sure to use layout 9 for the bar chart and layout 6 for the pie. Change percentage to values using add a chart element menu on the design menu of the ribbon. Okay, so when we get to editing the charts, that should bring it back to memory, but I'll show you. Spell correctly. Sorry. And capitalize the chart headings appropriately. All right, so let's do the bar chart first. So I'm going to select the heading and the people. And I'm going to insert because I'm inserting something. And here's the bar or column. And I'm going to go with the 3D. You should do the same. I'm going to immediately move the chart. It's out to the far right on your design chart menu. Move chart, new sheet, and name it bar. All right. The other instruction was be sure to use layout 9 for the bar chart and change the percentage to values. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the bar. I'm going to the design chart menu. You'll have to move, All right, so quick layout, number 9. Okay, that added our axis menus in our legend and our chart title. Okay, and for the bar chart, that's pretty much all we've got to do. So for the axis title, I'm going to click on the text box. We could put first quarter sales 2019, and I have a typo there accidentally, so first quarter sales. Alright, so that's done. And just like we talked about the economics thing, we're in US dollars, so put in dollars. Okay, chart title, I can go to my spreadsheet and I'm selecting both of these cells and hitting copy. And I'm going to click inside here and hit paste. So right here, I just need to press enter. Okay. And I'm going to go to home. Oops. Select it first, sorry. Go to home and make that like 24 point. And then go click on your legend. And let's make it about 14 point. And let's click on that and make it 12. And click on that and make it 12. Okay. And that's it for the bar chart. All right. I do want yours to look like mine. All right. So that's done. Now for the pie chart. Now I have to, in my version of Excel, I'm going to have to hit escape to make that to stop, being rotated ants, as they call it. Okay, for the pie chart, we've got to do the controlled selection again. All right, and it says a pie chart for total individual sales. So that's this. So we're doing that. Select the people only. Hit your control key and hold it. And select the numbers that go with those people. Okay. Go to insert. And choose the 3D pie. Immediately go ahead and move it. New sheet. Pie. And for this one, let's see. I think we need to just keep it simple and stick to the plain, okay? So we're going to go to Quick Layout and choose number 6, like the instructions said. And then go, remember I said change the percent to values. Go to Add Chart Element, Data Labels, and you're going to have to slow down. And I noticed what some of you are doing when you're getting here. You're mousing off of it before you actually click, and that may be why your panel's not coming up. So turn on values and turn off percentage. Okay. Now, while these are still selected, go to Home, and let's try 14 point, and that's fine. If you want to change them to, a different color, that's fine, but they at least need to be bold. Okay. All right, the legend. I want you to go back to Chart Design. Well, if your panel is still up, notice that when I clicked on Legend, the panel updated. I want this legend on the bottom. And then I want it large enough where it looks like we know what we're doing. Okay, and if you're able to click on it and move it up a little bit, that would be great. That's, not required, but it would be good. All right, your chart title. Again, I think for this one, I'm going to just select the information one at a time. So I'm going to select it from here and hit Control Copy. Triple click there and paste and press Enter. And then I'm going to go back to the spreadsheet. Total individual sales. And it's on 2 lines. So I'm going to triple click 1, 2, 3. And that got where I can see sales. Control Copy. And I'm going to click Paste. And then I'm just going to have to move the word sales up like this. You may rather just type it, and that's fine. Oh, that's a little big. Let's go with 28. Make it bold. And we're finished with this activity today. Okay? So let's make sure we did everything. We got our chart headings. We changed percent to values. We did that. Okay? So the last thing I would like for you to do is add your name. So put your first and last name right here and what class period you're in. And B5, you're doing this first today. So if I were in this class, it would be Mendenhall B5. Just like that. Okay? And don't worry about it if it wraps around. But if it bugs you, remember you know how to merge. Okay? Very good. All right. When you submit this, you may be finished for the day. Good job.